Hello, future designers. Sorry, developers. Welcome to another tutorial ABCD. So, just to continue from where we left off, okay, just where we left off in our previous code, okay. So, in this time, or now, what we would want to do is to actually extract this Chinese text, okay. So that said, let's get started. So, as usual, I'm going to have to then paste this here first. Okay, this is what we need. Okay. um, for the language code. Remember, the in the documentation they said it supports 80 plus languages, 80 plus languages, and then in the documentation somewhere here, okay, it requires you to actually use this for multiple languages. Okay, so since we are going to do something with Chinese text, all I have to do is to okay, so the image is cp.jp. Okay, so I'm going to have to type or better still, I can just copy this code. Okay, and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, then I'm going to change the name to the name of the file. So the file name is cp dot the extension is a jpg file, so jpg as you see here, okay. So let's just enlarge this, so maximize it, and then I'm going to run this. All I have to do is to copy this code. Okay, control C. I'm going to paste it here, and then I'll put this here. So it's a list. I'm going to put this here, so I can take this out and paste this here. Okay, so now if you run, let's see what happens. Okay, no model is this model is much faster with GPU. Okay, so you can see here that it's still loading, so wait for it to load, or better still, let me go to my file. um, why is it taking longer? Okay, so yeah, so you can see it's loaded, it's fetched them out. So let's try juxtaposing the image. Okay, okay, so this is the image. So I think it fetched, which is this, which one is this? Okay, so I can see this for this one is this. Okay, so it was only able to fetch about one, two, three, four, so about four of them. Okay, about four of them. Okay, so simply this is what, so you can try to use any image in different language apart from English and then see the outcome. So let's try using the results. Let's try using fetching only. So results and then square bracket 0 and square bracket 0. Okay, so this fetching us the location of the first, which is this one. Okay, we want this particular one, so I'll have to change it to 1. Run it, you can see we have it. Okay, which is this. Okay, so thank you, and the next lesson we'll learn to actually extract from multiple texts. Okay, so I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.